If you've been wondering how you can start making money on TikTok, I'm going to dissect this for you and give you all the details that you need to know about how you can actually make money on TikTok. It is important to know that there are very many people out there who fear standing in front of a camera, and by you standing in front of it, you are already a winner. There are people who are good storytellers. By you telling a story, by you encouraging people, by you strengthening people, by you educating people, whichever you do online, whichever you can manage to do there, the truth of the matter is there is a huge return. Now, first of all, is it true that you can make money on TikTok? The answer is a big yes, that indeed you can make money on TikTok. And there are very many people who are making millions of money on this platform. Now, the good news is it's not too late. Now, how do people make money on TikTok? Now, the first thing that you have to understand is, for you to make money on TikTok, you need to create good content, good videos. When you make good videos on any subject, among all those people, let us assume you've made a video and it has reached over 50,000 people or 100,000 people. 100,000 people have seen this video. Now, there's a huge likelihood that out of these people, you can get customers, you can get friends. And when you get a friend, this friend can introduce you to a friend who can, there are very many ways on how you can monetize. That will be a video for another day. But for now, let me first dissect how this is done. Then here you have, now, if you have 100,000 people who are here and you are also here, you are a single creator. Number one, what will happen is you will have created what we call demand. Whether it's demand for your content, whether it's demand for what you're talking about, whether it's demand in terms of people are yearning to hear from you, you have already created demand. People will want to hear from you again. And when that continues, then that opens up opportunities of you to start making money on this wonderful platform. If you have not yet started considering making money on TikTok, this is something that you should start thinking about, whether it's for you as an individual, whether it's for your business, whether it's for your brand, whether it's for your organization. You should invest in creating high quality videos that will communicate what you're doing, that will communicate what you're selling. And in that regard, you will start making money online on TikTok. Now, there are very many ways on how you can make money on TikTok. But basically, people sell things. You have seen people making videos and they are selling things and they are getting many views. You can sell things. You can actually motivate people. You can entertain people. You can actually educate people. You can awaken people. You can preach to people. Like, there are many things that you can do in that field. Depending on what you want to talk about, it is important to know that there are very many people out there who fear standing in front of a camera, and by you standing in front of it, you are already a winner. And when you do that, there is a huge likelihood that you will create value. There are people who are good storytellers. By you telling a story, by you encouraging people, by you strengthening people, by you educating people, whichever you do online, whichever you can manage to do there, the truth of the matter is there is a huge return. Now, this is where the magic happens. This is where the magic happens. You've created one video. It has gotten 10,000 views. It has gotten viral. Everyone is seeing you. Everyone is talking about you. Then you've created this other one. It has gotten 5,000. You've created, now at the end of the month, let us assume that you are creating a video per day, which is something very possible, what happens is you realize that the one who started with just 10,000, by the end of the month, you will have probably reached over 1 million people watching you. Or even not 1 million people. Even if you had 50,000 people watching you in a month, that would be a significant number that can surely increase your personal brand. And when it increases your personal brand, then you're in business. If you already have what you're doing, if you already have a business that you're doing, you can have a TikTok account that is talking about that specific thing that you're doing. And when that happens, the truth of the matter is people will start giving you business just because they have seen you. One thing that I can assure you is if you can have the courage to hold your phone and record a video, record a powerful video, and after recording it, you post it, you are already ahead of the curve, and it's just a matter of time. Now, for some who may get challenges through the process of making this content, now the good news is there are very many people online who can help you on how to create videos, good videos, and me personally being one of them. Good. There are some people who are out there and you're very gifted, but you do not know. You feel it, you know you're gifted. When you speak with people, people feel the connection. The truth is, it is possible to translate that connection. It is possible to translate that connection and put it on TikTok. And after putting it on TikTok, on YouTube and these other platforms, it gets shared by very many people. And when that happens, you'll have discovered another gold mine. In my opinion, I think TikTok is a gold mine for our generation. Whenever something becomes viral, whenever something picks momentum in one way or the other, it's also important to look at the opportunities. Does it have challenges? Yes, it has massive challenges. But for me, I want to close my eyes to the challenges that it causes and open my eyes to the opportunities that it has brought to my table. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, don't forget to follow, cause when I release another video, you'll need to be notified and be the first one to see what we are talking about. This channel is all about helping you to know about marketing and making money online. You want to know about marketing? You want to know about branding? You want to know how you can make money online? I've been making money online for the past 5 years. And the truth of the matter is, everyone can make money online. Everyone can surely make it online. All you need is to invest in time and learn